Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to do a very quick massing exercise. So this is what we're going to model. So it's a very simple exercise of adaptive family on a mass. Okay. So let's start. So I'm going to just start from scratch. Okay. So first, new project. Okay, so first go to south elevation. So we are going to just add a few levels. So use array, AR array. So I'm going to just maybe 30 of the level. So now select all of them and ungroup. So now we have ground level to level 30. Okay, so go to ground floor. Create a model in place. N for mass. Okay. Now go reference line. I'm going to create a box, a rectangular shape. So roughly maybe 40 meter wide and maybe 20 meter deep. Okay, so go to 3D view. 3D view, yep. So select this rectangular shape. So because if you go look at this, so the shape at the top is roughly a rectangular shape, and then about maybe 24, 25 level is still same as the one on the top, and here roughly about maybe level 5 is more like a triangular shape, and same as the ground floor level. So I'm going to copy this, and first I'm going to paste. So go to let's click on this modify and paste a line to select the levels. So I'm going to paste it onto level 24 as well as level 30. So use Control to select both the levels and click OK. So now we have two profile on level 24 and then level 30. So then for this the ground floor, so I'm going to select these two reference line and change the shape of this. Okay, so something like this. And then once again I'll copy this and paste onto level maybe level 5 and OK. So now we have full profile. If you select all of them, create a form. So this is roughly the shape of that building. So now the next step is tab select this face. So we need to create a divided surface, and then because I wanted to use 4 meter by 4 meter, so currently the levels are 4 meters, so that's good, and we just need to change this fixed distance and change this to 4 meter. And also this one I'm going to change to fixed distance as well, and 4 meter as well. So if I change this to beginning and beginning, apply. So now let's have a look at this. Okay, so you will notice that there's a little gap here and also here. So if we go to south elevation, and let me just finish this mass because I want to check the actual size. So if I do a detail line, so DL, and from here to this grid, and you will notice that it's not 4 meter, 3920. Same, the level, the horizontal grids. This one's very close to 4. That's fine. Maybe let's. So you will see the difference. See, it's not matching the level. So if I roughly do a detail on here to go zooming, so it's 3940 or 50. So we can't do it this way because this is not accurate, not 4 by 4 meter exactly. So what we need to do is we need to go edit in place, select this divided surface, uncheck the view and V, and instead of use the automatic one, we need to do it and use intersects. Okay, so we already have all the levels. We need vertical one. So let me just finish mask, go to south elevation. So to make it easier to pick, select, I'm going to just drag these levels, or maybe we can do this, select level SA, right click, maximize 3D extend, but looks like it's still not enough because I'll show you why. Okay, so if you select the one of the level, we can drag this to become wider than the building. Okay, so that's easier to select. You can do it this way. Okay, so now let's create some reference plane RP. So it will start from the very left side of this building. Oops. Okay, so now select this reference plane AR array 4 meter, and then let's type in maybe 11. Actually, we don't need that one. That's fine. So now we can delete this one, So and then all these reference planes, we just need to ungroup them. Okay, so now go back to the mask, edit in place, and then select this divided surface again. Go intersects, click on intersects, and left drag select all these reference planes, and then you also control select all these levels, and then click on finish. And now if you go to 3D view, so 3D view, and you will see now the grids are perfect 4x4 meters. Okay, so now let's just create a box to similar to this. Okay, so go family, generic model adaptive, and place a point, make it adaptive. So now place a point, draw a work plan, set work plan, pick this vertical work plan and place it on the point, and then select the new point. I'm going to offset it by 4 meter. So once again, point, draw work plan, set work plan, pick this time, pick the horizontal work plan, place it on the point, and offset it by 4 meter. So now, once again, pick the vertical work plan, place the point, and offset it by 4 meter. So now this is the shape of the box, and we can create spline, spline, and a spline. Now you can select all these with model line, make them change them to reference line. So and okay, so what we're going to do is it's not exactly a box. So we need to create the the thickness of the wall, the floor. Maybe get rid of that wall. So let's do it. I'll just very quickly do it. Okay, so we can use reference line this time. So draw set work plan and pick the vertical work plan of this reference line, and use pick line, offset by 1. So for example, if I make it 300 thick, maybe make it 400 thick. So it'll be 200 on 200 mil each side. So here, up, down. So once again, set work plan on this reference line. So tab, pick, and then pick line 200 on each side, and then once again set work plan, tab, and then 200 here and here. So now we have this roof or ceiling, wall, floor. On this side, not sure. Maybe I'll just do it. Stop here. Okay, so I'll split this reference line, and I'll just hang on. We can't trim them. So this we can do it this way. Not there, but that's fine. We'll be able to work it out. I'll delete this point. So maybe we can just do this, because this is more about the massing, not about this adaptive family. I'll just quickly do this, and also I'm not going to make it fully parametric. So I'm going to just maybe use 3D snapping and just draw, close it. Okay, so now let's try to select all these reference lines. So this, and also this one. So is this one selected? Select this one and create a form. Oh, looks like we missed one. Control Z. Maybe I'll do it this way. So select everything and shift, remove this one, remove this one, and then remove this one. Let's create a form. So this time we have this option, make it solid. And also looks like we need it to go that way, I think. So change this to 0 and change this to maybe 5 meter, for example. And yeah, I think that's good. And no, oh sorry, before we load, we need to select this adaptive point and change this orient to global XYZ. Now load this into the project. So let's go to 3D view, and oh sorry, I forgot to show the nodes. So select this divider surface and check the nodes and go create component, place it on this. So now you will see this. Yeah, I think it's all good. And then repeat, or actually before we repeat, because you will see this is more like a pattern, a chess pattern, or not sure what that name is, but so what we need to is we need to place one here, one here, one here, and one here, and then select all of them and click on repeat. Okay, so that's it. Let me just finish this mess, and so we can just maybe turn on the shadow, maybe and also let's turn off the mess. Oh, how can I? Maybe we need to go here to turn off the form. Yeah, so this is it all, and also the grids. Go to on the mass. That's grid lines. Oh, so this is a very simple massing exercise using adaptive family on divided surface. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.